it is important to consider what sample size you will need for your study. If the sample size is not large enough, you will not be able to detect a statistically significant change, even if one exists. And if the sample is too large, you will have wasted your resources, your time, and it might lead to ethical concerns. Some factors affecting the sample size that you will need are the size of the effect or change that you expect or care about relative to the error that you expect. The type of measure that you plan on obtaining will also affect your sample size requirement. And for a non-exhaustive but pretty helpful online sample size calculator, go here, the University of British Columbia Sample Size Calculator. Measurement. You must consider when and how to measure something. For example, how have other researchers defined and measured the exposure and outcome? Which measurement instrument will you use? What is the validity of this instrument? Your measurement must also be based on a measurement model. And there are 3 types of measures in epidemiology. There's measures of occurrence, measures of association, and measures of impact. Some useful ratios commonly used in epidemiology are proportions, which is a ratio in which the numerator is included in the denominator and gives a measurement relative to the total proportion included in the denominator. Proportions are always between 0 and 1. Risk is a special type of proportion, which is the probability that an event will occur. The odds are the probability of something happening divided by the probability of it not happening. And a rate is a ratio in which time is included in the denominator and provides a measurement of how fast something happens. Rates can have any non-negative value. Another survey question. Speed, distance traveled per unit of time, is a proportion, a rate, or a risk?